Hi guys, this is Zilla. I'm back again with another quick video, and today I'm going to be reviewing the dbrand grip bumper case for the iPhone 10 and some skins that I got from them. Now, before I go any further, let me just show you the website. I got this, I think it's from Indigo. It cost me, I think, $40, the actual grip with the skins that I got. I got 2 packs of skins. The price varies depending on which device you want to buy it for, so I'm not going to tell you the exact prices of everything. And plus, I got it at the Kickstarter sort of stage as well, which had a discount. But anyway, you're here to see the case, so let's get on with it. Elements: revolutionary grip, carbon composite, D30 impact technology, skin compatible. I'm not going to get into all this. And supported devices. Pause it at this stage. You can check out if your device is there. They are making it for more devices. I'd like to see it for the S9 Plus personally, but there you have it. And the world's grippiest phone case view campaign. So there we have that. Now, let me show you the box real quick. It's quite a chunky box for a relatively small product. So if I take that off, now inside you have a card. dbrand grip is just the beginning, and on the back there's a little bit of profanity here. It says, "Don't F this up, follow the link." There's the link there. You can tell what it says on the card. Put that back in here. And the only other thing you get in this box is the actual bumper itself. So let's move the box out of the way. Let me show you the packs of skins I got. I got them at a discount. That's the packets they came in, because I ordered them with the actual grip itself. So I've got the carbon fiber pack. So white carbon fiber look, black carbon fiber, and matte black. This is real nice. I like that look. And I also got a sort of colored pack as well. So no iPhone 10 red edition, but you could get this, turn it into a red edition. Thoughts, anyone? Got the purple. This all came as one little package. The yellow, the blue, and the green. Look real nice. I also got an orange one, which I've already applied to the phone. So let's move that out of the way. Now let me show you inside the actual case itself. So here you can see this little switch here. This is the mute switch, so you don't have to dig a nail in to silence your phone or put it on vibrate. That's better. Your volume rockers. And you can see this pattern inside here. That's the D30. The D30 technology is all in here. It really does work. It's good for impact protection. So when your phone gets dropped, the D30 technology really does its stuff. And you can see inside the bumper, it's curved to accommodate the actual phone bezel itself and keep it nice and firmly, in the actual bumper. It's very soft. Now, I have used this on the iPhone 10 for a couple of days. There's the corners as well. So that's what the inside of the bumper looks like. And I will tell you this, it doesn't scratch the stainless steel at all. Hasn't caused any harm to the phone in any way, shape or form. So in case you're wondering about that, don't worry about it. So it's fairly rigid. It's got a little bit of give to it. I don't want to push it too hard, but it is fairly rigid, as you can see there. So let me bring in my iPhone 10 now, and I'll show you with the orange skin that I applied. I will leave a link at the end of my video to the YouTube video from dbrand on how to apply these skins. But as you can see, I've put it on perfectly following their installation video. And I hate skins normally, but I actually really like these skins from dbrand. Even the Apple logo was a breeze to line up. I mean, look at it. It's absolutely perfectly applied. No lifting, no creasing. You can barely feel it's on there. Just a tiny bit, and it curves around beautifully. Look at the camera cutout. absolute perfect. And as I said, you can use the red skin to make it into a red edition iPhone 10. So to put the case actually on the phone itself, I go volume rocker side first, then slip this over here like so, and there we go. Simple as that. Now you make sure this switch is mounted properly. So there you are, perfect. So if you look here, without any issue, look how easy that went in. I love that. That's so much nicer. Now let's have a look around the bumper. dbrand stamped into the top, which makes a lot of sense because when you're holding the phone like this, what's everyone going to see? dbrand. Now the bumper is a kind of like a matte plastic finish. Now the parts that are grippy are like these corners here, these little nodules, the buttons, and this part here around the screen. That's like a grippy TPU kind of material. And the bumper around the back here on the inside where the phone sits. Which makes sense because that's the part of the case that's going to be in contact with your hands, surfaces, tables, etc. This works no issue at all with my wireless charger. I've used it a couple of nights now. No issue at all there. So, dbrand up on the top. Nice sizable power button with a little stamp in it to indicate it is the power button. Grippy nodules. Power button, very tactile. Perfect, works absolutely perfect. You can hear that clickiness. Now at the bottom, these are quite deep recesses for the speaker and the microphone grill, but it does not affect at all the actual sound quality from the speaker. It doesn't muffle it, it doesn't kill the sound, it doesn't damage it in any way, shape or form. Absolutely fine, don't worry about it. Cutout for the lightning port is perfect as well, nice and large. I've used a number of cables in there without any issue. On this little corner here, you can see how big those corners are. This one's got the D30 stamped into it, the others don't. Moving along to this side, more of those grippy nodules, plus and minus volume rockers. Work perfectly. I've already demonstrated the mute switch, absolutely perfect. Now this iPhone 10 has got a glass screen protector, the official one from Apple. I think it's the Belkin one. And you can see there's plenty of lip protection running all around the front, so no issue at all. On the back, you've got some raised lip there as well, especially on the bottom and the top. Now the top, you can see it's deeper there than it goes lower as you go down the phone. Reason being is the camera hump. So that is to make sure the camera, when you're laying it face down, is not touching the surface. As you can see with this on, no issue of lifting of the skin, no crinkling, no folding, no threat whatsoever of any of that. It's nice and simple to take this on and off. I suppose the closest rivals they got is the Rhino Shield Crash Guard bumper. I prefer this, and I'm going to tell you why. I feel this is more protective. It's definitely more grippy. I prefer the buttons on this over the ones from Rhino Shield. Buttons are much easier to press. This is much more grippy bumper by comparison to what Rhino Shield offers. And because it's designed to work with the dbrand skins, your choices are endless what you can use. Now imagine this with the black camo skin. Now as I said, works perfect with wireless charging. So now some of you are going to say, well, why is it called a grip? Number one, it's very grippy in my hand. Feels really good to hold, feels really nice. It's not going to fall out, nothing sharp, nothing digs into your hand. Feels really good, okay? I feel safe using this with the skin. I really have no worries about damaging the phone with this on. and I'm got OCD, trust me guys. So that's first thing. Second thing, if I put this on the table here, watch the color of my finger change when I try and push this. You see how the tip of my finger is starting to go white because I'm putting so much force trying to push it. Look at the indentation in my finger there. That's how grippy this thing is. Look, in case you're wondering, he's making up, that indentation proves it. Let me bring this in. Now this is a little bit dusty, it's not super clean. But watch as I raise this up. Now if this was clean or a piece of glass, this would work a lot better, but look at the grip on that. I've got this now at about 45-degree angle. Bring that in there. We've gone over 45 degrees and now it's starting to slip, but just. So it's very grippy. It doesn't, when you put it in your pocket, it doesn't pull out lint, it doesn't get dust stuck on it, it doesn't stick in your pocket and make you turn your pocket inside out when you remove this. Because I know a lot of people will think, well, it's grippy, so it's going to stick in your pockets. It does not. I've tried it with jeans, I've tried it with trousers, I've tried it with jogging bottoms, cotton type jogging bottoms, no issue. Didn't pick up any lint, didn't pick up any dust, stuck to it, didn't stick in my pockets, but it sticks where it needs to stick. So there you have it, guys. It is expensive, but I really, really love this, especially with the skin choice. This orange looks really nice with this. Let me just bring in the others so you can see the choices you have. They got a lot more skins, obviously, but these are the ones I got. Imagine that now. The iPhone 10 Red Edition. That would look tough, especially with the black there. That would look really nice. So there we go. And then these carbon fiber ones and the matte black, just as an example. The camouflage, that will look badass as well. I love that one. I might actually get the camo next. So there you have it, guys. Video's gone on a little bit longer, but I wanted to go into a bit more detail with this because it is an expensive case. It's not like a $5.99 or $9.99 type of case. It's substantial cost, let's put it that way. Anyway, any questions? Let me know in the comments below. Hit the subscribe button and the bell icon. Share this video on all your social media because it helps me out, helps others out, and helps the channel grow. And until next time, this is TechZilla saying take care. I'll see you all again real soon, and peace.